Hi everybody, it's Bernadette, Simply Art, Cape Town. Thank you for being with me again. So today I'm going to be working on a 10 by 30 inch canvas or 25 by 80 centimeters. I'm thinking about doing a Dutch paw, but let's see. I also wanted to do some flowers and I'm in two minds. Let's see what happens, okay? So I'm going to put the base coat down. I'm going to use a black paint for my base coat. It's mixed in the Dutch ball ratio, 80 grams of pouring medium, 40 grams of paint and 30 grams of water. So I'm going to flood my canvas. Nice even coat of base, not too thick and not too thin, just getting the canvas nice and covered, evenly covered. I'm spreading it with a spatula and also covering my sides at the same time. So I think I'm going to do some flowers, and I'm going to start here. Right, I'm going to do gold now. This is all Dutch ball mix. Please go and have a look at my video that I did on the 14th of March. I did my first painting in this style on the 14th of March. I will link it up at the top for you now. Just some beautiful blown out Dutch ball flowers. Very minimalistic, very little paint. I'm going to add some, that was bronze, I'm going to add some silver on top of that. And I'm going to add just a hint of, this is a antique bronze. Here we go. Just going to pick up some of the excess paint. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay well. Bye for now.